Hi friends, in this video let us solve a Laplace transform related question asked in GATE 2002 ECE paper. The question is the Laplace transform of the signal x of t is x of s, which is equal to phi minus s divided by s squared minus s minus 2. If the Fourier transform exists, what is the x of t? So that is, they are asking inverse Laplace transform if Fourier transform existed, right? So for a given Laplace transform, Fourier transform exists. For a given Laplace transform, Fourier transform exists if ROC covers imaginary axis. This is very important point, right? Okay, so first we will see what is the ROC. So x of s I can write as phi minus s divided by, I can split s plus 1, s minus 2. Where is the pole? Pole at s is equal to minus 1 and s is equal to plus 2. So if I draw pole diagram, s is equal to minus 1 one pole, s is equal to plus 2 another pole. So what are the ROC possible? Yeah, ROC can be left off s is equal to minus 1. So real part of s must be less than minus 1. Or ROC can be right side to RES can be greater than 2, or RES can be inside of these two. RES lies between 2 and minus 1. So you see, this is 0. Here, out of these three, only this one covers what you call imaginary axis. So this configuration only we have to use. This is not possible, this is not possible. So RES must be between greater than 1 and less than 2. Okay, so what we are going to do, so this is the ROC possible. So now we will write inverse Laplace transform x of t. See, for minus 1 for minus 1 RES is greater than right hand side signal, right? So that is RES is greater than minus 1, that is right hand side signal. So for pole is equal to minus 1, it is right hand side signal. So after doing partial fraction expansion, it should be a right hand side signal. So 2 e power minus t of t minus 2. So this is constant value a. For s plus 1, we should have a right hand side signal because what do you call this person ROC is greater than minus 1. For s minus 2, you see ROC is RES less than 2. So it is left hand side signal. So for 2, it must be left hand side. Take partial fraction after that. What is b value we got is b is equal to minus 2, sorry, plus 2, and left hand side signal e power 2t minus of e power 2t of minus 2. This is left hand side signal, this one. This is right hand side signal, this one. So the answer is this one. Okay. So the thing is, we got, what is the answer we got is minus 2, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 e power minus t of t, minus 2 e power minus t of t. Okay, where is that? Let us see. Perfect. Okay, this is minus 2 e power 2t of minus t, minus 2 e power minus t of t. So I think some answer is missing. Minus 2 e power minus t of t, minus 2 e power t. Here we have to put minus 2. Okay, the answer is option C. Thank you.